See, which one is out of order? Let's going up.
It's okay.
We need to go down.
Well, we can go up and then go down. Charlie, it's okay.
I'm going down.
Okay, fine. There's nothing down anyway.
LG is down.
We're fine, thank you.
We need to go down. Look at this one. They're doing something to this one. See? Oh wow! It's locked, so we're absolutely doing this one. Here it is.
Going down.
There's nothing on the ground on the basement floor for us anyway.
Can we press every floor? Then we'll go up to 1 and 2.
Lower ground floor.
How did they know?
Do 1 or 2.
Nick told me.
Can we play
What?
Nick told him there's going to
G1
be a
No,
G
you
now.
they don't want us to. Yeah, okay. Mate, we said both, that was 3.
Yeah.
Ground floor. Down.
Did you just get in and then it reopened for me, did it?
No, we went down first. It's so funny going unless you go to every floor.
Oh, okay. There's only a few.
I want to hit the first floor.
Floor. Going down.
We're getting out.
Why does it say now service?
I don't know, because it's clearly not.
Not happy about that.
No. Don't press all the buttons, Charlie. We don't want to make it more unhappy.
Let's get out from this side.
Okay, that side.
Going down.
Oh, I could have got out that way.